Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get the Rex in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Rex in Dark War Survival. So to get Rex in Dark War Survival, you actually unlock a Catherine and Rex hero rather than the Rex as a standalone character. There are two main ways to obtain Catherine and Rex. You can buy the Legend Battle Pass. This is the primary way to unlock the hero. Once purchased, you receive Catherine and Rex as an orange S rarity hero. You can of course go and purchase special in-game offer. Occasionally, the in-game shop features bundles that unlock or provide shards for Catherine and Rex. These offers are usually available for a limited time. Can you get Rex for free? Well, currently, no. Unlike most S rarity heroes, Catherine and Rex cannot be unlocked through Lucky Chests, Goodie Bazaar, or Prime Recruitment. Community consensus is the way that they are paid, of course, paid exclusive hero. One important thing, if you already have the regular Catherine, unlocking Catherine and Rex does not upgrade her directly. Instead, your old Catherine is replaced, her stats reset, and the resource fragments invested in old Catherine are refunded, so you can reinvest them into, of course, the new Catherine and Rex hero. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.